Moving to the next slide. So, what is our edge? I mean, that's something that people love to ask, why invest in Herenya? And then the other point is, how do we manage risk? So important to note, we are a specialist offshore portfolio, which is, I think, quite rare in South Africa. A lot of the South African managers will allow you to invest offshore, but they will just basically outsource that to another fund manager, which obviously brings up a lot of fees because, you've got middlemen and third parties that are, all trying to take a cut in that. And you've basically being pushed to a manager that's offshore. Not to say that those managers are bad, but unfortunately it does, eat up quite a bit of fees. So just about our team, as I said earlier, I'm part of an investment committee. We are a bunch of market participants that we've known each other for many years. I mean, myself and Pietri know each other for over 15 years. And I think, we've done very well over the years to build up quite a good network of research. We know where to find the best research and who to follow to help us with our ideas. And then we are able to obviously position those portfolios using that research. So as I said, again, we directly invest and we do not outsource any of our portfolios. In terms of risk management, very important, we don't over concentrate. So we try and keep the position sizes quite small, and we don't over concentrate in any sector. So in other words, we're not those kind of managers that are going to put 30% of your money in one certain stock and hope for a home run. We prefer to have smaller allocations, whether that's 1 or 2% or 3%, or if we're really convicted, maybe 4 or 5% in the stock, but we don't over concentrate. In addition to that, to try and protect ourselves from market drawdowns, obviously, as the Iran situation unfolds and markets do come under pressure, we do feel that it's important to protect that downside risk. And with our portfolios, we are able to divulge into options as well as the big volatility protection. And that helps us to protect our portfolios and minimize those drawdowns for you. So also the last point there, our philosophy, which is to protect capital first and then grow it second.